Hi there, welcome to this video. Let's see how to apply effects and transitions with Sony Vegas Pro 13. Leave comments to improve our videos. Let's start with the transitions. Transitions make visible clips appear or disappear, changing the opacity level or adding effects. In audio clips, this means to change how you pass from the first audio clip to the second one in volume. Let's see transitions in visible clips, but mind that all that will be explained will be good for audio clips too. You have two main kinds of transitions. The single side transition is a fade that interests just a single clip. To add it, simply click and drag the blue corners of a clip. By default, you will create a simple opacity fade, following the curve on the clip. So you can add a fade in where the clip appears and a fade out where it disappears. The more you drag, the more it will last in time. To remove it, you can simply set its duration at 0. Plus, if you right-click on the curve, you can change the fade curve in fade type, and so the way the transition evolves. If you want to apply special transitions, you need a window called Transitions. If you have it closed, just go to View, Window, and then to Transitions. This window lists all special transitions Vegas Pro has by default. Choose a section on the left and hover a template on the right to see how it is. A means the first clip, B the clip where you want to arrive in the end. To add one, simply click and drag it on the fade in or fade out just created. The name of the new transition will be indicated where the fade curve was before. Check with the preview. If you don't like the transition, just drag there another one. If you want to change the properties of the transition, you can click on the cross icon next to the transition name, or right-click on it and go to Transition Properties. The next window, called Video Event FX, is used to edit transitions and effects, and usually opens when you add a new transition on the clip. We will see it shortly. Apply your changes and close the window to apply all. If you want to come back to the fade offset transition, simply right-click on it, go to Transition, and then to change to Crossfade. The second kind of transition is the one between two clips, called the double-side transition or crossfade. This is simply created by overlapping two clips on the same track. Then you can manage it in the same way as seen for the single clip transitions, with the difference that you apply a transition between two clips and not between black and a single clip. Put distant two clips to remove the transition. Let's see the effects. These do change the way a single clip must be shown or heard. We will see them applied on visible clips only, but mind that nothing changes on audio clips. You have two ways to add effects: the Event Pan Crop and Event FX. Event Pan Crop is mainly used to apply the right zoom or motion to clips. If you want to see how to use the Pan Crop effect, watch the related video in this guide. You need to use Event FX if you want to apply other kinds of effects on clips. To add effects, you can simply click on the plugin icon if the clip is big enough, or simply right-click on it and go to Video Event FX. At first, this window has inside a unique effect, the Pan Crop, that sets the right zoom on the clip. The second window lets you add further effects on the clip, all listed inside. Simply select FX on the left to have the complete list of effects. To add an effect, simply select it and click on Add on the right. You will see that the effect will be indicated above, inside the effects chain of the selected clip. The more effects you add, the longer the chain will be. Click on OK if you are done at adding effects. At this point, the Video Event FX window will be updated. Check out its chain above. This contains all effects applied on the clip. The first one is the Pan Crop, that can't be deleted or moved in any way. The others are pieces of the chain with their name on it. Just select one to edit its properties below, checking the preview. Uncheck or check them to disable or enable them again. Click and drag them on the left or right to change the effects order. Mind that if you change the order of the effects, the final overall effect applied on the clip may change a bit. You can add new effects clicking on the plugin icon on the right. Use the next one to delete an effect selected. In audio clips you will have audio event effects instead, and of course you won't have any pan crop effect. But the way to add, manage and delete effects is the same. Effects and transitions can have properties changing in time. You can do this in different ways. Some of them have the Animate button. Click on it. A local timeline will appear below. This welcomes rhombuses called Keyframes, used to change properties in time. A single keyframe saves inside a precise aspect and value for the property it refers to, in a fixed instant of time where it is placed. This means that if you have two keyframes with different properties in two different instants of time, you will create a fade from the first set of properties to the second one, changing the effect in time. In this way you can change the way the transition changes its aspect or the effect itself. So to add a keyframe, simply fix the playhead first, and then change the property to edit in time. The keyframe will be automatically created. Then you can drag it to change its position in time, or delete it by right-clicking. Mind that if a property has just one single keyframe inside, it will remain completely static in time. In other kinds of effects, you may have watch icons next to each property, instead of the Animate button just seen. If you click on it, the small timeline appears below. or a new row. This works just like the previous one, nothing changes. Just make sure to use the lanes visualization, which is easier. If you click again on a watch icon to disable it, you will lose all the keyframes put. Mind it. Another effect, apart from all this scene, is the reverse effect, which means playing the clip on the other way. Just right-click on a clip and go to reverse. A small gray icon on the extreme left will remind you that this effect is active. Thanks for watching this video. Check our guide to know anything inside Vegas Pro 13.